Good morning, my dear students. I hope all of you are keeping fine. I am standing here. I am MD Alamgir Hussain, Assistant Teacher English, Jikurgasa Pilot Girls Secondary School. You know, in the previous class, I discussed the uses of a and especially the indefinite articles. Today, I am going to discuss the definite articles, especially the uses of these. Be ready for the class, my dear students. Okay. At first, I have written some sentences on the board, and this is your duty to see the sentences very carefully, because if you follow the sentences, then you will be able to use the uses of the. Okay, my dear students, get ready for the class. Now, please see the sentences very carefully. Number 1, dash, boys are playing. Number 2, dash, boy is reading. Here, follow the two words. Do you know what types of nouns? It is, these are, this is plural and this is singular. So, whenever we will see the definite singular and plural common noun, we have to use the uses, we have to use the. Okay, my dear students? Now, the boys are playing. Number 2, the boy is reading. Then what have you learned from these starting two sentences? You have learned, if you follow the singular and plural common noun, then we have to use the. Okay? Okay, then come to the next, my dear students. Number 3, he is dash best boy in the class. Here, best, this is a superlative degree. Already you have known what is degree and the classification of degree. We know good, better, best. So, best is a superlative degree, and whenever we will see the superlative degree, normally we have to use the before the superlative degree. Okay? So, here follow the sentences. He is the best boy in the class. My dear student, number 4, but sometimes it is different. Sometimes it is different, because sometimes we can also use the before the comparative degree. Before the comparative degree. Why? This is the question. Why? The reason is that whenever we compare two persons, then we have to use the before the comparative degree. Follow this. He is the better of the two boys. Here we have compared two boys through this pronoun. Okay? So we have used here the. Now, question number 5. What type of noun it is? Dash, cow, is, are, useful, animal. What type of noun it is? This is a singular common noun. This is a singular common noun. How can we indicate here? This is a singular verb. So, when you use singular common noun, so the is placed before the singular common noun. Have you understood my points, my dear? Thank you. So, the cow is a useful Anyway, then come to the next. Then come to the number 6. Here, dash Quran is a holy book. This is a religious text for the Muslims, and we have also the others, the Christians, the Hindus, and the Muslims. So whenever we will see the religious text, especially the Quran, the Bible, we have to use these. So what have we learned here? We have learned that the also is used before the religious text. Okay, thank you. The Quran, the Quran is a holy book. Now, sentence number 7. My dear students, these sentences is very important for the passage article, because follow the sentences very carefully. This is a room. This is indefinite article. This is indefinite, because it is not a particular name, because I don't mention the particular name. But here we have used another noun, and whenever you will see the name of a noun is for the second, whenever we refer something for the second, then we have to use this, because this is the first one and this is the second one. So the room is very neat and clean. Here I describe the formal room. Okay, my dear students. Now come to the second. Come to the number 8, please. Dash sun rises in the east. Here follow the word. The things that have no alternatives, and before that we have to use the. Okay, my dear student, like as the moon, the sun, etc. Okay, so the things or the name of a thing which has no alternatives or that have no alternatives, we have to use the. Clear? Okay, fine. Then sentence number 9. What have you seen here? This is the name of a president. What is it? This is singular designation. This is a singular designation. Whenever we will see any singular designation, then we have to use the, like as the prime minister, the headmaster, etc. Okay, my dear students. Now come to the next, and this is the last sentence here. The word is mother. What type of noun is it? This is a common noun, but here the noun is used as a abstract noun. Whenever common noun is used as an abstract noun, then we have to use this, because this is not the mother, I mean a specific mother. This is only for the motherly affection. This is motherly affection. Okay, my dear students. So whenever the common noun is used as an abstract noun, then we have to use the mother rose is her. This is all for now, my dear students. I think if you follow the rules very carefully, then you will be able to use the uses of the, especially the definite articles. Okay, my dear students. Now this is the time for taking the homework, and please write it another at least 5 sentences in your notebook, and this will be ready from your home. and next time you show me. Okay. Now this is the time for homework. And follow the sentences and also write it down in your notebook, my dear students. Okay. Now number 1. Dash girl is dancing. Number 2. Dash rose is a nice flower. Then number 3. She is dash tallest girl in the class. Now number 4. She is dash better of the 2 girls. Now number 5. Dash the head master. I have written another 10. I have written here 5 sentences, and this is your LW. And stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.